gamwe amashomero agatunga chess mats garmu St Teresa Girls Secondary School, Ibanda Secondary School, St Teresa Primary School hamwe n'agandi.
Twe twine kizubu chess mats twe twinenche konkato twafuna nyingi club yakwe yongera kutunguka kandi kuko abayikone batushobora because yitwe chess twentu zandu mundo mwishomero twetakagira competinga
Entebe Kanseji yabeye bembirwa bekigombe echa Icon.
And this game also chess has just been introduced in the tournament. We have been looking forward for you people also to come and have a hand in training our runners.
Okay, in chess buru otaka kozere move yona no banza oteka teka abuka ko kutambuza ejemp chiwaji tambuza neba ne affecting ebintu byinje byo miso so nano magara genseji otaka jize decision eyi akora oyise uba wateka teka kinda akikore nkiza kuba kita
nyenda kwebaza Icon nje yatetera chess mats tuyamba kora decision zinunje nano kuteka teka kwituka improving.
Omashomero agatunga haramagara kuza kweta bo mu mpake za lamine kandi ne bagira ngo babire batine bikwato ebyo kubahwera kuzana umuzanogo.